if you want to install your Windows 11 in computer, so it is too much easy to install. So first of all, you need this type of the bootable USB pen drive. If you don't know how to create a bootable USB pen drive, then you can watch my previous video that is available in the I button, or I will give the link in the video description. So I'm going to boot this PC. Okay guys, so now I'm going to use my USB pen drive here first of all. Okay, so I'm just going to install. So after putting this one, so I'm going to press the power button. Okay, so now you can see it is opening. So after that, just you have to press ESC. So yeah, first of all you have to open the BIOS setup. Okay, so in this time I am using a Lenovo computer, so that's why I am just pressing ESC. And after that, so now we can see here the BIOS setting is coming here. Okay guys, so now you can see here I am just changing this value. So first of all, I am just putting this one in the disk number 1. Okay, so I have to come in the configuration, and so now you can see there are a few options. So first of all, the okay, so you have to enable the hotkey mode also. And okay, so in the BIOS setup, so I enabled everything, the boot mode in the UEFI, otherwise you can change it in the legacy support also. And the USB boot is enabled, PXE boot to land also enabled, 𝗵𝗵𝗆𝗄𝗆 fast also enabled. Okay, so if you want to install Windows 11, so first of all you have to put your bootable pen drive in the disk number 1. So now we can see here I have put it the EFI USB device USB 2.0 in the boot number 1. Okay, so in this way you have to also put your bootable pen drive in the boot number 1. Okay, so okay, so after that, just you have to click in the exit, and just you have to press F10 and click in the yes. Okay, so now you have to press the F12. Okay, then after pressing the F12, so you will get like this. Okay, and after that, just you have to click in the EFI USB device. So I'm just pressing this one here, and now you can see it will start to install Windows 11. Okay, so after that, so here is few terms and conditions available. You can read this one. After that, just you have to click in the I accept the Microsoft software license terms, and just you have to click in the next, and you have to click in the custom install Windows only. So you have to choose the advanced mode. So you can see here there is a few disks available. So if you want to delete any disks, just you have to okay, just you have to come here and you have to delete this one from here. So there are few options: refresh, delete, format, load driver, and extend. Okay, so I'm going to delete everyone. Okay, so I think this is the primary device, and I'm going to delete this one, or you can format also. So I'm going to format this one. Okay, you have to format before installing the Windows 11, otherwise it will not install properly. Okay, so again I am just coming down, and I am going to format this one also. Okay, like this. Okay, so but remember one thing: when you are formatting, in that case, if you have the important files in your drive, then in that case just you have to save it, or you have to create a backup of those files. Otherwise you can only format your local disk C only. So in my case, so the drive 0 partition 3 is my local disk C. So this is the C drive where I will install Windows 11. Okay, so after formatting and deleting all those things, so just you have to click in the next. So now you can see here the Windows 11 installation process is moving on. It will take few times to install your Windows 11. Now you can see it is telling me that getting ready. So now it is telling that just a moment. Okay guys, so now you can see here the logo is appearing. Okay, So after that it is telling me to put the language, or sorry, the region. Okay, so I am just using the United States. Okay, and I am clicking in the yes. Then after that it is asking me to choose the keyboard layout, so I am choosing the US and I am clicking in the yes. And if it is asking me to add another keyboard layout, but it's not necessary for me, so I am clicking in the skip. Okay, so now you can see it is asking me to connect Wi-Fi. Okay, so I think I should to connect a Wi-Fi here. After that, just you have to click in the next. So now you can see it is checking all the things. Okay, and it is taking a little bit time. So it is asking me to put the device name, so I am just putting the device name here. Okay, then I am just clicking in the next. It is telling me that just a moment. Okay guys, so now you can see it is asking me to add a Microsoft account. Okay guys, so I have to log in inside my Microsoft account to install the Windows 11. So I'm just creating a new one. Okay, so I'm just going here. Then after that, okay, so it is giving me a new form. Okay, okay, then after that I'm just clicking the next. So after that it is asking me to put password, so I'm just putting password here. Okay, then I'm clicking in the next. Okay, so it is telling me to put the name here. Okay, so it is asking me to put my date of birth. I'm clicking the next. Okay, so after that it is putting telling me to put the alternative email, but I don't want to add any alternative email, so that's why I'm just clicking in the next. Okay, so it is telling me that add alternative email, so I'm just giving one of my email account here. Okay, then after that I'm just clicking in the next. Okay, so now it is asking me to choose the privacy, so you can give the permission for the location, find my device, and different kind of things, but it's not necessary, so I'm not doing anything for this one. Okay, so I'm just clicking in the next. Again I'm clicking in the accept. Okay, so in this way you can accept all the terms and conditions. Then after that it is telling me that let's customize your experience. So what type of the category you want to use: entertainment, gaming, school. Okay, so I'm just choosing the school and clicking in the accept. Okay, so now you can see here it is asking me your Microsoft account and OneDrive, so I'm just clicking the next. Okay, so after that it is telling me the access granted, we are giving you free trial of Microsoft 365. Okay, so if you don't want to use this one, so just you have to click in the decline. Okay, but in this time I want to use this one, so that's why I'm clicking in the continue. Okay, so it is asking me to put the credit card here, but I think I don't want to use this one, so that's why I am coming back here and I'm clicking in the decline. Okay, I don't want to use any of them. Okay, so now you can see it is telling me that checking for the updates, and it is telling me again hi. Okay, so I think it will take a little bit long time to install all the necessary components. So it is telling that this might take a few minutes. Don't turn off your PC. So I'm installing Windows 11 inside my computer. Okay guys, so now you can see here my all the things are created. Okay, so after that just you have to click in the OK. Okay, so now you can see I'm just clicking in the OK button. So now I have to choose the password here. Okay, so I'm just giving the password here. Okay, okay guys, so now you can see here my Windows 11 is successfully installed. So in this way you can also install your Windows 11 inside your computer. So hoping that you get few ideas. Okay, so in this way you can also easily install your Windows 11